particle ballot, and I will show you on how to assemble and disassemble of system unit. So first, let us define what is system unit.
A system unit is a part of a computer that houses the primary devices that perform operations and produce results for complex calculation. It includes the motherboard, CPU, random access memory, hard disk or hard drives, power supply unit, floppy disk drive, and other components as well as the case in which these devices are housed. Let us define the different components of system unit. First, motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board of your computer and is also known as the main board or logic board. If you ever open your computer, the biggest piece of silicon you see is the motherboard. Attached to the motherboard, you'll find the CPU, ROM, memory RAM expansion slots, PCI slots, and USB ports. Second, the computer's central processing unit or the CPU. The CPU is a portion of a computer that retrieves and executes instructions. It consists of an arithmetic and logic unit and various registers. The CPU is often simply referred to as a processor. Third, random access memory. Random access memory is a form of computer memory that can be read and changed in any order, typically used to store working data and machine code. Fourth, hard disk or hard drive. Hard disks are flat circular plates made of aluminum or glass and coated with a magnetic material. Hard disks for personal computers can store up to several gigabytes of information. Fifth, power supply unit. A power supply unit is an internal IT hardware components, and specifically, a power supply converts the alternating high voltage current into direct current, and they also regulate the direct current output's voltage to define references required for modern computing components. Sixth, a floppy disk. A floppy disk is a type of disk storage that composed of a thin and flexible disk of a magnetic storage medium in a square or nearby square plastic enclosure line with a fabric that removes dust particles from the spinning disk.